Y'all doing? I didn't post a video yesterday, or I don't think the day before. So, let's post one now. I don't really know what to do. Oh shoot, I'm gonna show y'all this. Let me wash it, wash. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna take this out because we kind of, it's big. It's crazy. I can put it in front wheel drive and do a wheelie. Like, watch this. Like, yeah. It's not normal. Oh, there's a light box. Always need those. Alright. Alright. Let's see what this thing can do. I ain't really took it anywhere yet. So let's go. Well, I was in low gear. It's kind of stupid. You'd be thinking I'm retarded or something. Oh shoot. No. Drive. By the way, I do have every barn find, obviously, as you can tell, because I do have this. If you're wondering why the tractor is red, it is because it is a Mahindra tractor. If you know anything about country stuff, deal with tractors or anything, you would know what a Mahindra is. If you don't, look it up. So I have all the stuff, all the engine maxed out, I don't know about the suspension. I just made it look tractor-like. I see a lot of people all the time putting tractor tires in the back and then put the line tires in the front and then take it mudding. It's like, you retard. If you're going to put it in four-wheel drive, put mud tires on it. So let's take it to the yeah, I'm sorry about the background audio. Sorry about that. Just my little brother. We sleep in the same room. He's actually playing Off-Road Outlaws right now. How about this? We may let him play. Ooh. I see that, baby. Ooh. That looks really good. Dang. That looks very good, I think. Oh well. Let's go back. Mason!
What?
You want to play Off-Road Outlaws?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll give you code.
No. It's not juice.
Waiting for that code. What the heck did you get down there?
Cereal?
Oh my god. Cereal. This kid is crazy. He's eating cereal in bed. Cereal in bed. Didn't even get a bowl or anything. He's eating it straight out of the bag. Like, by the way, if you're wondering, yes, he is. Mason, how old are you?
4.
He's 4. He'll be 5 in February or May. When's your birthday?
May.
Yeah, he'll be 5 in May. Okay, while we're waiting this to load, not here. The place I pressed was tractor pulls. Then again, I didn't bring a tractor. That sounds about like me. Trump is your president. If y'all are wondering, yes, I do support Blue Lives Matter, Trump 2020, military, all that. Go ahead, unsubscribe if you don't like that. But I ain't changing. Can't change me. Freak. I am a retard. I keep having to go back and forth because I can't get it right. I need to get that damn thing right or something. Sorry, I'm moving the microphone. Okay, multiplayer, join host now, free roam, custom, favorites, tractor pulling. Donald Trump is your president. No, but I'm about to give you a code, Mason. 1955. If I heard that there's in this new update, I heard that there's a roll call button. If anybody knows about it, could you please tell me? Because I ain't heard anything about it and I kind of like to know. Dang. This thing. It goes. If you watch me and you're not subscribed to Offered Outlast 218 or 217, please go subscribe to them and tell them that you came from me, please. And Treston Plays.
What?
Are you coming? Oh, you're here. Where are you?
I thought it come, but it just kicked me off.
Oh, okay. 1955.
I already know.
Okay, good.
1955.
Yes, sir. Oh. Hey, looky there. Let's climb this. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Fly! Oh, god dang it. What is your... Oh, well. I guess we're gonna wait for him to get here again. And then we're gonna go through it one more time. And I guess I'll end the video there. I guess that'd be a good ending spot. Are you coming?
About to.
Code is 1955. I'll be waiting for you at the mud hole, because we're going to go through the mud hole, okay?
Okay.
I'm going to go wash off real quick.
Okay.
Donald Trump is your president.
Brandon,
Me.
Is that you?
That's me.
Hello.
Follow me.
I'm in the mud.
Yeah, go there. Go to the other mud. Follow me. Dude.
What?
Where did you... Oh.
What?
Okay, yeah, it's not letting him join, so I guess this will be where I end the video. And please like and subscribe. Bye.